One device, many jobs. Brady's universal valve lockout easily adapts to multiple valve types, securing isolation points when other devices can't. Before you apply the universal valve lockout, choose the appropriate attachment for the intended valve. To install the blocking arm, slide it onto the bolt, followed by the spring assembly and the hand wheel. Use the same process to install the nylon cable attachment. To apply to a ball valve, squeeze the hand wheel and tabs together to open the jaw clamp and slide the valve handle between the teeth. Tighten the hand wheel while holding the blocking arm against the pipe to secure the device in place. Insert a padlock in the lock holes on either side of the hand wheel. To apply to a gate valve, wrap the nylon cable around a stationary object to secure, then feed the end through the cable attachment. Open the jaw clamp and slide onto the valve. Pull the cable tight and turn the hand wheel until secure. Insert a padlock in the lock holes on either side of the hand wheel. To apply to a butterfly valve, squeeze to open the jaw clamp and slide onto the valve handle. Make sure the lower jaw fits snugly between the handle and trigger. Turn the hand wheel to secure the device and insert a padlock in the lock holes on either side.